Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you what I'm making here. I got some crushed pineapple in this big glass bowl, making ambrosia fruit salad. It's with lime green jello. So I'm gonna just pour that into that's crushed pineapple down there. It's crushed pineapple, green lime jello. Then I'm going to do some great value cottage cheese. Pour it in like so. Okay. Then I got some almonds. Usually you use walnuts, but I'm going to use almonds. Pour those in. And if you don't like almonds or walnuts, you can use whatever you like, pecans or whatever. So far I have, I don't know if you can see, crushed pineapple, green lime jello, cottage cheese, and almonds. And now I'm going to put the whipped cream in there. My babies run over here to see what's going on. Okay. And last but not least, I got some jet puffed marshmallows. Just gonna throw those right in there, the whole bag, most of it. And then you're just gonna go ahead and stir it up. And yeah, that's about it. Get everything all nice and mixed up. Trying to hold the camera while stirring, but this is so good, especially if you like lime and pineapple. It's so good. You might want to let that sit in the fridge for about an hour. You could let it sit longer or less if you want. I like the marshmallows to be like, how do you say, to absorb all the like pineapple and everything. I like them to be really, really soft. I don't like them to be hard. So yeah, but it's up to you. And like I said, if you don't like almonds or walnuts, usually I put walnuts, but this time I'm putting almonds. But if you don't like either of those, you can do walnuts or cashews or no, or nothing at all. So it's up to you. But yeah, this is so good. It's a good dessert, similar to fruit salad. I don't know if this is a Watergate salad, but my grandma gave me the recipe. And yeah, it's just green lime jello, cottage cheese, whipped cream, marshmallows, and walnuts. So if you want, I can link the description in the box. And yeah, once you're done, you just serve. You can serve in a cup or a bowl, and it's good. And this doesn't last long. This will be gone like that. Thanks for watching.